If you want to install HDO Box on your Google TV, follow these simple steps to get it running smoothly. First, ensure your Google TV is connected to the internet, then go to Settings and enable Developer Mode by navigating to About, selecting Android tvOS build and tapping it multiple times until you see a message confirming Developer Mode is enabled. Next, go back to Settings, open Device Preferences, and turn on Unknown Sources under Security and Restrictions to allow third-party app installations. Now, install the Downloader app from the Google Play Store. Open it and enter the HDO Box APK download URL from a trusted source. Once the file downloads, click Install, and after the installation completes, select Open to launch HDO Box. Finally, you can access HDO Box from your Apps section and start streaming your favorite content. If the app doesn't appear, restart your device and check again. Make sure to use a VPN if necessary for better security and access.